Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, we will start. At first, my name is Marwa. I am a data scientist, and today we will talk about applications of data science in agriculture field, part 1. Data science applications in agriculture are diverse, from precision farming to livestock management. Perhaps one of the most promising applications is in the area of precision farming. By collecting data on factors such as weather, soil conditions, and plant growth, farmers can better understand how to optimize their crop yields. Here are some applications of data science in agriculture. Number 1. Digital soil and crop mapping. The application of data science in agriculture is abundant. Data science can be used to map out digital soil and crops, and this information can be used by farmers to make more efficient use of their land and by agronomists to better understand the needs of crops. In addition, data science can be used to predict weather patterns, and forecast crop yields. By applying data science to agriculture, we can increase yields, reduce costs, and improve the quality of our food supply. Number 2. Weather prediction to improve yield. Data science helps farmers to predict weather patterns and forecast crop yields with increasing accuracy. In the past, farmers would make decisions based on their experience and intuition about the weather. However, this approach is often inaccurate, leading to poor crop yields and financial losses. With data science, farmers can now access historical data and use it to identify patterns in weather patterns. This information can then be used to make more informed decisions about when to plant crops and how to care for them. As a result, data science helps to improve crop yields and reduce financial risks for farmers. In the future, data science is likely to play an even bigger role in agriculture as more data becomes available and algorithms become more sophisticated. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to press like button, share the video, and subscribe for more videos, inshallah. And you will find the resources in the description box.